It cost me $8,000 to learn that you should never trade when you're emotional. Now, I'll show you how to save those dollars to make gains instead. Like and subscribe. And in the next 3 minutes, I'll share with you what I learned from my past 3 years of intensive trading. Here is my story. I wanted to do everything by the book. First demo trading, then live trading. So I spent weeks studying the market and the platform. Only then I moved to live trading. And you know what? That was a mistake. Demo is more than just a risk-free market practice tool. Doing it longer improves your patience and self-composure. And you will absolutely need that in live trading. Now you may ask, aren't a couple of weeks on demo enough? If you are an experienced trader on a new platform, sure. But if you are a complete newbie, well, give it at least those couple of weeks. And keep practicing on demo even if you already started live trading. So, here's your first trading psychology tip. Preparation is key and it takes time. But I know, you want something you can use right now, don't you? Then go check out our Telegram channel. Its market assessments and ready-to-use trading signals will help you make better gains in the pure market trading. The link is in the description. Alright, back to my story. I realized that I started live trading too soon. But at the time I thought, okay, no problem, real action in the field will make me stronger. And you know what? I was wrong. It's true that decision-making when demo trading is different compared to decision-making when live trading. But that doesn't mean that you'll learn the market better in live trading. And it absolutely does mean that you'll start making gains faster. You may think, what the heck is he saying? Let me break it down for you. Learning the market behavior is one thing, and for that you have demo. Learning how to make trading decisions on the live market is another thing, and for that you have live account. So, first learn the market behavior via your demo account and then start learning how to make trading decisions via your live account. What's the difference? I'll give you an analogy with boxing. To know your opponent, you don't need to fight him. Just watch him box with others and observe how he moves. That's demo trading. Learning the market is learning your opponent. Now, beating your opponent requires real decisions, and that's only possible after you've learned how he moves. So, that's live trading, and that's why it comes after demo. I had no idea this art of war philosophy has anything to do with trading. I thought, don't trade with your last money, invest only what you can afford to lose. And that is right. I could afford losing those $8,000 while I was withstanding the losses, but you know what? I still think it would have been a hell of a lot better if I just hadn't rushed things and stayed on demo for another week just learning the market. So here is your last forex discipline tip. If you are running losses and you can cut them, cut them. Don't plunge into the red waiting for the moment to get revenge on the market. If you made a mistake, admit it quickly, close the bad trade and move on. And just because you can afford losing some money doesn't mean it's a good decision. Anyways, watch this to avoid top day trading mistakes and this to learn top day trading indicators in one video. Both will help you start trading easier. See you!
Olymptrade. Care that counts.